Hello. Are you ready for another video? Let's go. Can you just give us a quick microphone check? Excellent. Sweet, yeah. Can you see the belly? Can you see the belly, baby? You ready to film a video? Wanna film a video? Fuck yes. Yo, peep this sick office setup, boys. Got a little YouTube plaque that my girlfriend made me. Got a dope ass little neon light. Isn't that sick? We lost the glow keyboard because a rat like chewed the cord, and what are the odds of that? But whatever. You ready for the video? You ready for this week's video? Are you ready? Tell me you're ready. Tell me. You're so sweet. What do you guys do? Oh. It's cold out here, baby. Give me the ball, hurry, give me the ball. We gotta do the intro, it's cold. Give me the ball! Let me have it. Good girl. Lefty. Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. If you're new here, my name's Chris. I do MK7 GTI content. We do fun shit here. It's mad windy. Alrighty then. Yeah, if you're new here, go hit that subscribe button. We are going up from here. So, I feel like I shouldn't do this out here. It's too windy. Let's go. We gotta give her a wash. She's definitely dirty. Yeah, looks great. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope everything is well. I just wanted to talk to you real quick before we get into today's video. So, I got up this morning. I was having a great morning. And, went for a little ride, cleared my head, got a little coffee in me, start up the day. You already know, bring you guys good vibes. But I just want to say thank you to you guys because starting my channel was the best thing I've ever done. Shout out to you guys for all the positive vibes coming back to me. That's super sick. And I know it's small and I know it's nothing. And everybody starts from nothing though, so yeah. Not gonna be too corny, but it's super cool. It's very surreal. And go hit that subscribe button, tell your friends, let's grow this channel into something I've always wanted, and I've talked about doing this for like years and years, and really I've just never, I don't know, I think I just like dragged my feet on it, procrastinated it, because I just really didn't know what to do, didn't know how to do it, and didn't know how to just start and jump into it. But now that we've done it, we are doing pretty good, I should say. I mean, like, let's be real, I realistically started like 6 months ago. And we went from like 12 subscribers that were already on my channel just coincidentally to 171 this morning. So I mean, like, that first year I know is the hardest part, so I feel like we're doing pretty good and we're really cranking it, and I have no intentions on slowing down. So yeah, shout out to you guys. This is awesome. This is totally what I was meant to do. We're in it for the long haul. We're not here for a quick buck, but go hit that subscribe button, support your boy, and let's do this shit. Enough of that. Yeah. You like my dope? This shit's lined and warm. Oh, what the? What is that? Gotta fix that. Oh, it's all packed behind there. In today's video, we're gonna be installing the STRAFE? I'm not entirely sure how you say it. The STRAFE, I'm gonna say, diffuser for the MK7 GTI, and we're gonna go step by step, show you how to do it. I know it's super easy, and for the homies that have been on the channel, please ignore, or the new people, ignore the fact that there's clearly no exhaust. I can show you. So a couple videos ago, I'll like link it here, go check it out. We made like custom blast pipes for the GTI, and it was like a center exit thing. It was super goofy, but it was funny just for content, and it was super loud. But as soon as I lowered it, I went downtown here in White River, and there was a bunch of construction going on, and it literally, like, the first time I went down there, bottomed out, it ripped the entire exhaust off. It's literally right here. So we made these blast pipes, and I welded them all up and stuff, you know. Pretty cool. The clamp caught, I don't know, it caught a pothole or caught like a huge hole and ripped it clean off. So ignore your boy for slacking. God, it's so cold. Damn, we're gonna have to do this shit quick. Don't beat me up too much for not having an exhaust. I had to like cut it and make a custom like dump pipe, but there's a new exhaust coming. I'm just being a little bit picky on it. I want to do something a little bit different for content wise. Obviously you guys kind of understand that, and I'm really opening my options. I don't want to just go with like the ECS or like, I don't know, I want something a little bit out of the box that hasn't really gotten a lot of views on YouTube, which sounds stupid, but like, you know what I'm saying, something different, bro. Damn, we gotta wash this pig, she's nasty. But she nasty good. Shit, girl. All right, let's check out the diffuser. Come on, Kippy. Ooh, yeah. Oh, damn. Damn, girl. Look at that. I think it's pronounced STRAFE. I really don't know. Please don't hate me. Metal. Fins cut out and riveted on. Didn't order the little exterior winglets, so I ordered those, and I'll have those coming in soon, but I figured we get this put on while we have it. Let's go! I need more coffee, bro. Okay, you be good, I'll be right back. Whoa, too much. Alright. I hope you guys are loving the videos, because I love making them, and I'm trying to get better as I go. Sorry, I was trying to be quiet inside, everybody's sleeping. Let's get into it, boys. 20 degrees, extremely windy. I didn't realize the forecast called for a tornado. Camera shift. Camera shift. Hope you're excited as I am. Really get the build started. Police. He waved. Nice guy. Hey, Subi, bro. I see you. What's up, dog? Oh, there's so many people here, bro. It's literally 25 degrees. Okay. I try to spray that out the best I can, so let's go home and check it out. Let's go make some coffee and get my coveralls on, cause we about to make this bitch look like a girl with a thong. We'll jack this girl up, get a diffuser, slap it on her ass. Let's go. Alright, so everything comes with. It comes with a burrito. There's a bag of chips and these knives. Very nice. So it comes with like a ridiculous amount of washers and nuts and bolts. Some of these rubber washers, just so when we put it on there, just so it lasts a little bit longer and it doesn't rip it up so much for the metal ones. And so it doesn't vibrate. I swear to God, if I put something on this like this and it like vibrates or rattles or something, it'd drive me nuts. And it comes with a nice typed out set of directions for you, which is super simple. And that's it. So let's make some coffee and let's do this shit. Dude, I love coveralls. They're so comfortable, I don't even care what anybody says. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah. There she is, baby. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, bud, look at that. She looks like a monster. That's so sick. Go like the video. It's cold. Yo, check out your boy's jack sub. You like that? I don't have any of my tools here, so we're doing a Getty. Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, dude, plenty of room. You guys like my custom down fucking dump pipe? The clamp came right here. You can see it's all chipped apart. The clamp came right here and then kind of hung down a little bit, even though I had it tucked up. And then I bottomed out enough that it grabbed it and just fucking blap, ripped the whole thing off. So please ignore that. This is looking Getty. What? Nothing even goes anywhere. What the? There's no fucking bolts there. We're going to read some directions. I'm not really sure what's going on. After further investigation. So I read the directions and these are meant to be bent. That's what I was kind of curious about. I just wanted to make sure before I went bending them around. So you have these two holes up here, and it's basically saying you're going to take this and you're going to put your bolt through here. Not really sure if that'll go through there, but you put your bolt through there and you put that through here, like so. And then you take that and then you bend it down here, and then basically it goes into the back, the holes in the back, and that's what holds up the back. And then I gotta kind of figure out the front. I'm not really sure. It makes it seem like this is what comes out, and then that's what you put through for the diffuser, but that doesn't line up. So I gotta play around with it a little bit and figure it out. Alright, so I got that mounted up like that, and then I'm gonna tighten it up and then bend it however way I need it to line up with the back. There's parts here, boys. There's parts. Alright, this is what it looks like. I got it bent up, locked into place on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Quick intermission. My hands are frozen. Alright, that's still hot. While we're here, let's take some time, go down there, hit the subscribe button for me, join the family. So I figured it out. The two holes do line up. I thought it sat flush against the stock diffuser, but you're actually supposed to pull it back and like angle it up a little bit so it covers the whole thing. And then those middle holes go right up where I thought. The two bottom plastic clips, I already replaced them with nuts and bolts, so that kind of works in my favor. But I'll replace those and pull those out, and then yeah, so you bend the brackets. The directions literally say they're meant to be bendable. That's why they're super easy to bend. And you go from your exhaust hangers. There's two holes on the top, and you go from there, and then you come down and use your washers on both bolts, and then bolt to the back holes on the diffuser. And then once you have that mounted up, just loosely mount it up and then pull it forward, and then put your bolts through the two plastic clips where those are. You're replacing those, so you put it through there, and then put a washer on top and bottom, put it through, bolt it through. That's how you do it. For some reason, I didn't realize it was meant to come out and up and cover the whole diffuser. I thought it sat flush against it, so I didn't line up. But now it makes sense. This is easy. For anybody out there doing this yourself, don't overthink it. Just do it. Get out there and do it yourself. Get a little bit of YouTube inspiration, look it up, like people like me. Get out there and do it, bud. You just gotta send it, you know? We back. These are meant to be bent, and you go up there from these two holes. You come down, you put it in here, and then these are what come out. I already replaced them with bolts because my clips broke, so I'm gonna pull these out, and then these holes come right up to here and line up with that, and then you put it through, and then, I mean, it's as easy as that. All right, another thing I just want to point out for you guys, because I supply it and that's what it's supposed to do. So you want to stick this through, put the plate on there, and then you tighten that up, and then you're making a stud, more or less. So then you tighten this up, and then once you have that and a nut on there, then you put the whole diffuser on there, or you can just put it all on there, however you want to do it. But that's how they recommend it, so just a heads up. Alright, now I'm gonna tidy her up and let's see what she looks like. I'm so hyped, bro. I don't know why I chose to do this on today, but I did. I'm so sick, bro. Check it. Ooh. Okay, girl. I see you. And then when we get the little outer winglets on, outer winglets, get that the exhaust fixed mixed up a little bit. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. She's coming along. I hope you're as hyped as I am about this build. Bro, my mouth is so cold I can't move my lips. I legitimately can't say certain words. It's super easy. The only real hard part is that bolt. Bro, I hope you guys can hear me. If you can't, I'm sorry. The only real hard part is the exhaust hanger where that bolt goes through the top. Make sure you loosen the exhaust hanger so that you can adjust and get a wrench up on the top of that bolt. Because if you can't get on top of that bolt, it's a super pain to tighten, so I had to like take everything back off, loosen the exhaust clamps, tighten those back up all together after I tighten the bolts. And then you just kind of bend your brackets so that everything's even. And then you get it all lined up. You get it looking good. Oh, let's go! All right, montage time. Alrighty guys, we got that new diffuser on. It looks so good. I can't wait to get the new exhaust put on it and get the outer winglets on it. It's gonna look it's gonna clean up the rear end so much. It's gonna look way more aggressive. So, rate this real quick. Install, easy, 1 out of 5, 4.5. As long as you got a decent understanding of everything, totally fine. The way it looks, 5 out of 5. Fitment, I'd say 5 out of 5, but the exhaust isn't on there, so don't quote me on that. If you have some kind of custom exhaust where it takes up all that space right there, this might not work. You might have to move the brackets in a funky way, but they're bendable, so pretty easy. Overall, 4.5 out of 5. Let's go! If you're enjoying these videos, go hit that thumbs up. Join us, join the family, go hit subscribe. I'm posting weekly for you guys, if not more than weekly if I can. I post as much as I can, more or less is all I'm saying. And I think that's it, bros. Like I said, either Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna post you I wanna do like a 2021 channel update, plans for the car, plans in total, what I wanna do with everything in general, where I wanna go from here and how I wanna grow. Shout out to you guys. I love doing this. I finally found like where I belong. This is where I want to be. I'm pushing as hard as I can to grow the channel as much as I can, as fast as we can. I just want to push the limits and go ham. Keep it real for you guys. One-on-one right here, family together. I want you to feel what I feel and want you to see what I see. From a homie, for the homies. Alrighty guys. Yeah, I'm hyped. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. You guys are awesome. And as always, keep it real. Your boy's out. Peace.